The Egyptian pyramids, particularly the Great Pyramids of Giza, are among the most iconic and enduring symbols of ancient Egypt. These monumental structures were constructed as tombs for pharaohs and their consorts during the Old and Middle Kingdom periods. The most famous among them is the Great Pyramid of Giza, built for Pharaoh Khufu, Cheops, around 2560 BCE. Originally standing at 146.6 meters tall, it was the tallest man-made structure in the world for over 3,800 years. The construction of the pyramids remains a subject of fascination and debate. Theories suggest that large limestone blocks were quarried, transported, and assembled using a combination of ramps, levers, and manpower. Recent discoveries have pointed to a highly organized workforce, with evidence of workers' villages and records detailing their daily lives and duties. The pyramids were designed with precise alignment to the cardinal points and often included complex internal structures such as passageways, chambers, and shafts. The Great Pyramid, for example, contains the King's Chamber, Queen's Chamber, and the enigmatic Grand Gallery. In addition to their architectural marvels, the pyramids hold immense cultural and religious significance. They were seen as gateways to the afterlife, with elaborate burial rituals and grave goods intended to assist the deceased in their journey. Hieroglyphic inscriptions and artifacts found within and around the pyramids provide invaluable insights into the beliefs, practices, and daily lives of ancient Egyptians. The mystery and the lure of the pyramids continue to captivate scholars and tourists alike. Ongoing research and technological advancements, such as 3D scanning and satellite imaging, offer new perspectives and discoveries, further enriching our understanding of these ancient wonders.